Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick how-to video. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to whistle a blade of grass. This is a cool little trick that my dad taught me growing up, and it's neat because grass is kind of everywhere, so there's always an opportunity to whistle. It's pretty loud. You can also roll your tongue a bit to make a different effect. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is find the blade of grass you're going to be whistling. I have a thin blade, a medium-sized blade, and an extra thick. I recommend going with the medium. The large ones don't resonate that well, don't make much sound. It's pretty hard to get them to whistle. And the thin ones are just too weak and can break on you and prevent you from whistling. So grab yourself a medium blade of grass, probably 4 to 5 inches long is all you're going to need. Okay, so all you have to do is create tension on the blade of grass between your hands. So what I usually do is grab the top with my index and thumb, and then take my palm of my other hand and place it on the bottom here. And as you can see, you're gonna want to, pull this tight. So there's some tension. Once you have some decent tension, place your thumbs together at the top so you have something that looks like this. So that blade of grass is pretty tight in between my thumbs there. So it should sound something like this. Now another little tip, I usually keep my hands kind of open like this. You don't want to keep them shut because that'll muffle the actual whistle. So I usually open up my hands a little bit to let that beautiful sound radiate. So whistling a blade of grass does take a little bit of practice, but luckily you have an abundance of grass available. I recommend going out there, experimenting with different types of grass or different thicknesses till you find the one that you think works the best. Again, I like kind of medium size. They just seem to be the loudest and whistle the easiest. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like and we'll see you in the next how-to video. Bye.